Toads and frogs are both amphibians, but there are several differences between them. 1. Skin texture. Toads have dry, bumpy skin, while frogs have smooth, moist skin. 2. Body shape. Toads have a wider, rounder body with shorter legs, while frogs have a slimmer, more streamlined body with longer legs. 3. Legs and feet. Toads' legs are comparatively shorter than frog. Frogs usually have webbed feet while most toads don't have webbed feet. 4. Habitat. Toads are typically found on land, while frogs are more aquatic and are found near bodies of water such as ponds, lakes, and streams. 5. Reproduction. Toads lay their eggs in long chains, while frogs lay their eggs in clusters. 6. Vocalization. Toads have a deeper, more croaking call, while frogs have a higher pitched, musical call. 7. Poisonous glands. Some species of toads have poisonous glands behind their eyes, while frogs do not. These are some of the key differences between toads and frogs.